Hello everyone, welcome to our first vlog.
But before that, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel No Boundaries and click on the bell icon.
So today we have come to a restaurant which we have come a couple of times, but we thought we thought why we should be sharing this with our friends, right? Like all of you. So we have again come here just for you guys, okay? So this name of this restaurant is Villa Maya, a fabled kitchen, which is in Thiruvananthapuram, the capital city of Kerala, which is approximately, I think,
2.2 kilometers from
Yeah.
Trivandrum International Airport.
so in case any time if you are planning to come to Kerala, visit Thiruvananthapuram or passing by this location, you should come and dine to this restaurant. So this is our experience. Again, it's your choice. It is up to you that you visit this restaurant. Come, let's see. And also a warning: if you are experiencing fever, cough, fatigue, shortness of breath, do not visit today. And also, if you see, there is a bell here in front of the front desk itself, stating, "Did our services impress you? If yes, please ring the bell." But because of Corona, they've taken out the bell from here, and to prevent us from COVID.
To prevent contact.
Yes. Come.
Villa Maya is actually a lovingly restored 18th century Dutch manor that was a part of Royal House of Travancore. And see, the ambience here is too good. You got to see lovely fish ponds with beautiful fish varieties, and yeah, they have a well maintained plantations. That's really nice.
So friends, here they have contemporary seating arrangement
Yes.
at the restaurant. And as you see, these are the outdoor seating area, and they also have indoor seating. So approximately, as we discussed, they have 150 packs that they can accommodate here at the restaurant. But indoor shooting is not permitted, hence we are not able to share those clips with you. But when you visit, you can go and have a look at the same.
And in addition, they have indoor as well as outdoor banquet and function area. So if you're planning for a small function and all, you can visit here.
Sure, yeah, because it's an amazing place again. They have beautiful lawn at the banquet area.
And they have a smoking area at the lawn area. So for people who smoke, it is like they'll be comfortable over here.
And also, if you booze and smoke, you have that kind of a trend. It's very good to be here.
And yeah, we are not promoting smoking
Smokes.
here.
Yeah.
Just for the information.
Exactly. And also, if you see, they have coconut trees here, like 2 or 3 coconut trees, as we saw there at the restaurant. Here also at the lawn area. But they have taken complete care, their precautions. So don't
Yeah.
worry, no Kalpa Vriksha will have any problem here. As we mentioned before, it is quite safe to take your kids along, because during this COVID times, the restaurant has taken all the safety measures possible from their end. Villa Maya is an upscale, award-winning restaurant showcasing global cuisine, and they have a combination of traditional cuisine with the contemporary style. Look at the food itself. The presentation of food reminds us of India's rich culture, isn't it?
So as you can see, the staff over here is performing fumigation as a safety measure for mosquitoes and flies, and they have herbal sticks too.
Something that we usually find is good restaurant, good food, good ambience, but no good service. But here, we have got very friendly and cooperative staffs here at the restaurant. They're very proactive at service. So it's very comfortable to be here. So best service, good food, tasty, and good ambience. What else we need here? Oh, finally, I was waiting for this, Anjali.
Yeah, I know. You always crave for desserts.
Yeah, I just love this, and friends, this is their special dessert that they have, chocolate fudge with caramel sauce. And can you see this on that chocolate spear? These hot caramel sauce is poured and it's melting. It's really yummy.
And yeah, seriously, it looks so yummy.
Yeah, it's time to eat now.
So, guys, this is all about Villa Maya. We hope you like it, and we soon come up with a new video. And we're saying goodbye with a beautiful message from Villa Maya.
So,
Bye bye.